Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys how we ended up planting some of our stuff. It's different than what we originally planned on, but I was reading some of the inserts and some things required way more space than what we planned for. So I didn't want to plant them too close together and choke them out. So basically we need to build more beds. We had some extra transplants, and I also built a makeshift greenhouse for the time being. That's very tiny, but I'll show you guys how I did that too. And hopefully this upcoming weekend we can get some more beds built. So yeah, I'll show you guys where we move stuff around too. Okay, so here's kind of where we switched things around. We were going to do cucumbers here, but we ended up just having so many tomato plants. Lily, stop. She has a dress on today. We ended up doing super fantastic tomatoes here. They are indeterminate, so hopefully they should, Lily, stop. They should reap a good harvest all season long. Isaac, will you keep an eye on her? Make sure she doesn't eat that, please. And then these are still the onions. Then over here we did the big beef tomatoes, and these are the ones that I didn't realize they needed so much space. So we planted them like this, and I'm hoping I gave them enough space. However, we will also, be able to use this as a trellis the whole way down and do kind of like a string aerial trellis, which should be really cool. Right here we put the burbless cucumbers. Just one plant for now. We might get more later, but I figured this would be good for them to trellis up and down on. And over here, more cucumbers. We did the bush pickle cucumbers over here. So these also needed a bunch of space, more than we thought. We kind of in the past have had a history of planting things too close together, so this time we're trying to let them breathe a little more. So yeah, this would be more cucumbers, so then more cucumbers, tomato, onions, more tomatoes. And then over here I made this to try to kind of salvage the rest of our starters while we're waiting. I think we're past the last frost date, but you never know here in Oklahoma. What's that, Bubba? So I did make this in hopes of saving some. I have some cherry tomatoes trying to start in here from our last garden. They were super great, so we kept a bunch of those seeds and we're trying to get them to sprout. I don't know if you can really see, maybe from this side. I put a mirror back on this side to help reflect some of that heat. So we have a long mirror over there. And that's kind of what it looks like. Some of our herbs aren't doing too hot, but most of the actual vegetables are doing fine in there. So hoping that'll help give us some time until we can plant, or until we can plant them here in the garden beds that we're still working on building. So we'll have one there, have one here, probably a fire pit in the middle. A pool. We're thinking of a stock tank pool over there eventually, but we'll see. Those are expensive. So that's kind of what we're working with right now. Not too much, but we're getting stuff done slowly but surely. So yeah, that's kind of the update. Thank you guys for following along. Be sure to subscribe and check out our Instagram page. I'm pretty active on there every day. So yeah, we still have more beds to build, a lot more things to plant, a lot more things to do, but we're just taking our time and enjoying every step, aren't we? All right, thank you guys.
Bye. Bye.